despite your efforts to manage your time and remain productive. You may also occasionally experience procrastination. Procrastination naturally occurs when people are faced with events that are unpleasant, complex, lengthy, or uninteresting, regardless of their priority or level of importance. Fortunately, procrastination is a time robber over which you have control. And there are 3 skills that you can implement to control procrastination. The first skill for controlling procrastination is to create a prioritized daily task list every day. By creating a prioritized daily task list every day, you will be able to designate tasks that you would ordinarily procrastinate as high priority tasks, which will prompt you to accomplish those high priority tasks before accomplishing lower priority tasks that might contribute to your procrastination. The second skill for controlling procrastination is to give yourself incentives and rewards. Remember, people tend to procrastinate tasks that are unpleasant, complex, lengthy, or uninteresting in favor of tasks that are pleasant, easy, brief, or interesting. By using the tasks that are pleasant, easy, brief, or interesting as incentives to first completing the tasks that you would ordinarily procrastinate, you can then reward yourself by pursuing those tasks that are pleasant, easy, short, or interesting. The end result is that you still accomplish both types of tasks, but you will accomplish the unpleasant, complex, lengthy, or uninteresting tasks first and avoid procrastination. The third skill for controlling procrastination is to break large tasks into small parts. This skill works particularly well for lengthy assignments. By breaking the lengthy assignment into manageable parts, and by working on those manageable parts each day between when you receive the assignment and its due date, you will avoid procrastination. You will make progress on the assignment each day, and you will be able to complete the assignment by the due date.